My child, I see the pain you try so hard to hide. I know the wounds in your heart that no one else understands. There are nights when you feel alone, when the silence feels heavy, and when your soul wonders if things will ever change. But listen to my voice right now. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. And your heart is not beyond healing. I have been with you through every tear you cried in secret. I was there when disappointment broke your spirit. I was there when the weight of life felt too heavy to carry. Even when you felt like giving up, my hand was still holding you. My child, pain may have visited your life, but it will not define your future. Your wounds are not the end of your story. I am the God who restores what was broken and brings life back to what feels lost. You may feel tired from fighting battles in your mind and heart. You may feel like the world has taken more from you than it has given. But I am telling you today, your healing has already begun. I am touching the places in your heart that still hurt. I am bringing peace to the thoughts that keep you awake at night. I am replacing your fear with hope and your sorrow with strength. Do not believe the lie that you are alone. Do not believe the lie that your situation will never change. I am working in ways you cannot see. Even now, I am arranging things for your good. The pain you carry today will one day become the testimony that inspires others to believe again. My love for you has never changed. Not in your weakness, not in your mistakes, not in your darkest moments. My love is greater than your past, greater than your fears, and greater than every storm you are facing. Bring your broken heart to me. You do not need to pretend to be strong. You do not need to hide your tears. When you feel weak, that is when my strength will carry you. I am the healer of wounded hearts. I restore peace to troubled souls, and I breathe new life into those who feel empty. This season of pain will not last forever. A new chapter is coming. Joy will return to your life. Hope will rise again inside your heart. The same heart that feels heavy today will soon feel my peace in a way you have never known before. Trust me with your healing. Trust me with your future. Trust that my love is stronger than the pain you feel right now. I am walking beside you every step of the way. And one day you will look back and realize that the moment you thought you were breaking was the moment I was quietly putting your heart back together. Rest in my love, my child. Your healing is coming.